Okay, you guys, welcome back. I found a new case at my local neighborhood market. This Hot Wheels monster trucks. I don't know what case this is, but new for 2025 nightshifter, part of the Haphazard series. Here's a bat, mostly just pure re-releases. Let me tell you guys, nightshifter name, nightshifter, truck type, race, strength, pitch driver, crash attack, street light smasher. All of them are re-releases except for this one. Well, these are only two new ones. All these are old except for those two. I don't know why companies do that. Like, they re-release, it's ridiculous. That's what you mean. But I'm glad they release newer, like, paint jobs. Let's go ahead and unbox it now. Okay, hold on. Ooh, okay, here it is, guys. The blue and orange look really nice on it. Dark blue roll cage, orange rims and beadlocks. Black chassis. It says 25 on there. With the chrome engine, chrome bumper, and then the chrome exhaust back here. Hot Wheels. No taillight printing. Pretty cool. Like the stripes on it. Guys, I got one more truck to go. Peace out.